Hi, I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and in today's episode I am making a blueberry cheesecake bar that is so delightful. Here are my ingredients: blueberries, sugar, flour, eggs, butter, graham crackers, salt, vanilla, cream cheese, and sour cream. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start with the graham cracker crust. Go ahead and just crumble them in here. Add your sugar. And pulse this for about 30 seconds. Next, add your butter to a bowl and place it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So my graham crackers are like sand, and this is perfect. To that, add your flour and salt. Go ahead and pulse this for about 30 seconds. Now add your melted butter. Now pulse for another 30 seconds. 30 seconds, just make sure that everything is well combined. Now pulse for another 30 seconds. After getting your graham crackers nice and combined, go ahead and grab a 9x13 dish and align it with tin foil. And the reason for this is because we want to be able to remove the bars once they're done cooling, and the tin foils make it so much easier. So go ahead and line your 9x13 pan with tin foil and pour your graham crackers right in there. After pouring your graham cracker in here, go ahead and just press this down really well. After getting the crust nice and patted down, now we're going to stick this in a 300-degree oven for 20 minutes. While our graham cracker crust is baking, let's go ahead and start with the cream cheese filling. Add your cream cheese. After adding your cream cheese, add your sugar. Go ahead and blend this until well combined. Just pull out the graham cracker crust out of the oven after 20 minutes. Now I'm going to let it sit until it's completely cool. Alright guys, so my cream cheese and sugar is well combined, so it's super smooth right now. So this is exactly what you're looking for. And when adding the eggs to this, go ahead and add them one at a time and combine. After each egg, I just pulse 10 times. Pour in your last egg. Now add your vanilla. And blend for 20 seconds. Okay, so now that my crust has completely cooled off, go ahead and pour your cheesecake mix. After pouring your cheesecake mix in here, just make sure that it is evenly distributed. And we're gonna stick this in a 300-degree oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the cheesecake is not quite done. So what we are looking for is for it to still jiggle in the middle. Now we're gonna put this aside and start with the blueberry and sour cream topping. Add your blueberries to the food processor, your sugar, your sour cream. And go ahead and blend this until it's completely smooth. Blueberry and sour cream topping is done, so go ahead and pour it right in here. Now place it back in the oven for 15 minutes. All right guys, so it is out of the oven and it smells so good. I'm going to let it sit for about 2 hours, and after that placing it in the fridge for about 4 hours. So we're just going to pull this tin foil aside from the cheesecake bars, and this looks so good. So we are going to cut right in the middle. And it smells so good. You guys, I cannot wait to have a taste. I just wish you guys can just smell this. It smells so good. All right guys, as you can see, I went and plated the cheesecake bars for you guys. It looks amazing and delicious. So how about this taste test? And of course, the crust fell off, so oh my gosh. You guys, this is a must try. It's delicious, it's creamy, it's full of flavor. You can taste the blueberries in it. And if you guys made it this far, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.